Hey guys, let's talk about laser therapy. Now we have a new treatment in our office called a Class 4 laser, which is also known as a high intensity laser therapy, which offers a range of benefits for pain relief, healing, and overall tissue health. So here are some of the benefits. Number one, pain reduction. The laser stimulates the release of endorphins, the body's natural painkillers, while reducing inflammation and nerve sensitivity. Number two, it accelerates the healing and tissue repair mechanism. The Class 4 laser promotes cellular regeneration by stimulating mitochondria, enhancing ATP production, which fuels cellular repair and growth. Number three, it's an anti-inflammatory effect mechanisms. The laser reduces the production of inflammatory mediators, which will help with tendinitis, bursitis, sprains and strains, chronic inflammatory conditions such as arthritis. All right. It's going to improve circulation. The laser therapy increases blood flow to the affected area, bringing oxygen and nutrients while removing waste products. Number five, it increases the range of motion. The laser therapy reduces inflammation and muscle tension, allowing for better joint movement. Number six, it's non-invasive and drug-free benefits. The Class 4 laser therapy is a non-surgical, drug-free treatment option, making it a safe alternative to medications or surgeries. Number seven, it has enhanced nerve function. The laser stimulates the nerve repair and reduces nerve sensitivity. Number eight, it is versatility in treating various conditions such as sports injuries, post-surgical recoveries, carpal tunnel syndrome, plantar fasciitis, degenerative joint diseases, and number seven, or number eight, forgot which one we're on, it has quick treatment sessions. The Class 4 laser can deliver high energy levels, allowing for shorter session times. So if you'd like to see if the laser therapy is right for you, please schedule a consultation and we'll see if the laser therapy is a good fit for you and your condition. Give us a call, 847-546-4220. We'll talk to you soon.